Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to take up an important method of evaluation of limits. So here we will make use of the method of factors. So let us consider some examples where we will use this method. Now suppose we have to solve this limit, and here we have limit x tends to 2, x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 2. So here we see that the function is a quotient of two quadratic terms, right? In the numerator we have a quadratic term and in the denominator we have a quadratic term. Now let us factorize the numerator and denominator. So we can write limit x tends to 2, and in the numerator we can use the method of factorization that is called splitting the middle term, right? So here we have x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, right? So minus 3x can be written as minus 2x minus x, and in the denominator we can write x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, right? Now we can simplify the numerator and the denominator, and we get if we take common x from these two terms, we have x minus 2, and here we have minus 1 and x minus 2. Similarly, in the denominator we have x minus 2, and here we have plus 1 x minus 2. Now we can write limit x tends to 2, and this expression can be written as x minus 2 x minus 1, and here we can write x minus 2 and x plus 1. Now we see that x minus 2 and x minus 2 is a common term in the numerator and denominator, so this get cancelled. So we are left with limit x tends to 2 x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we can substitute x equal to 2 in this expression, so we get 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 over 3. So the limit when x tends to 2 of this function is equal to 1 over 3. Now let us take this example. Here we have to evaluate limit x tends to 3, x raised to 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So here again we'll make use of the method of factors, and here the numerator, that is x raised to 4 minus 81, can be written as x raised to 4 minus we can write it as 9 square, and this is x raised to 4 minus 3 square raised to the power 2, and this can be written as x raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4, right? Now this can be factorized by making use of the identity a square minus b square. So we can write x square raised to power 2 and 3 square raised to power 2, and it can be written as x square minus 3 square multiplied x square plus 3 square, right? Now this can be further factorized as x minus 3 x plus 3, and this can be written as x square plus 9, right? Now the denominator which is 2x square minus 5x minus 3, and this can be factorized as 2x square, and here we'll make use of splitting the middle term. So we can write it as 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3, right? and taking 2x common from these two terms, so we have 2x times x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3, right? So now taking x minus 3 as common, we have x minus 3 times 2x plus 1, right? So here we have factorized this term and this term, right? So this limit can now be written as limit x tends to 3. For x raised to 4 minus 81, we can write this expression. So we have x minus 3, x plus 3, and x square plus 9, and divided by we have x minus 3 times 2x plus 1, right? Now here we see that x minus 3 and x minus 3, this is a common factor, so these two get cancelled. So we are left with limit x tends to 3, x plus 3, x square plus 9, and divided by 2x plus 1, right? Now we can substitute x equal to 3 in this expression. So we have 3 plus 3, and here we have 3 square plus 9 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1, and this can be simplified as 3 plus 3 is 6. This is 3 square 9 plus 9, that is 18, and this is 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, and 6 times 18 is 108 divided by 7. So this is the required limit when x tends to 3 of this expression. Now let us take this problem. Here we have to evaluate limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4. So here again we'll make use of method of factors, and here we'll take x common from the numerator. So we have x square minus 4x plus 4, right? And divided by x square minus 4, which can be written as x square minus 2 square, right? So this is limit x tends to 2, and this factor, that is x square minus 4x plus 4, it can be written as x minus 2 whole square, right? And x square minus 2 square can be written as x minus 2 x plus 2. Here we have used the identity, that is a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b, right? So now here we see that x minus 2 and x minus 2 get cancelled, so we have only one power of x minus 2 here. So this is limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by x plus 2, right? Now we can substitute x equal to 2 in this expression. So we have here 2, then we have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So this is 2 times 0 divided by 4, and the net result is 0. So the limit of this function is 0 when x approaches to 2. Now let us consider this problem. Here we have limit x tends to minus 2 and 1 over x plus 1 over 2 divided by x plus 2. So here we can write this expression. This expression can be written as 2 plus x, taking LCM of x and 2. We have 2 plus x divided by 2x and divided by x plus 2, right? So here this is limit x tends to minus 2. 2 plus x can be written as x plus 2 and divided by 2x times x plus 2. So here x plus 2 and x plus 2 get cancelled, and we have limit x tends to minus 2 1 over 2x. Now we can substitute the value of x as minus 2 here, so we have 1 over 2 times minus 2, that is 1 over minus 4. So the limit of this function when x approaches to minus 2 is 1 over minus 4. Now let us take one more example. So here we have to evaluate limit x tends to 3, x square minus x minus 6 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. So here we can factorize the numerator and denominator. So this is limit x tends to 3. The numerator, which is a quadratic term, can be factorized by splitting the middle term. So we can write x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, right? So this term, that is minus x, can be written as minus 3x plus 2x. In the denominator we have a cubic term, so here we can take x square common from these two terms. So we have x square x minus 3 plus, and we can take 1 common out of these two terms, so we have 1 x minus 3, right? Now this can be simplified as limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 plus 2 x minus 3 divided by taking x minus 3 as common, so we have x minus 3 times x square plus 1, right? So now we can write limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 we can take common, so we have x plus 2 here divided by x minus 3 x square plus 1. Now these two terms get cancelled, so we are left with limit x tends to 3, x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1, right? Now we can substitute x equal to 3 in this expression, so we have 3 plus 2 divided by 3 square plus 1, and this is 3 plus 2 5, and this is 3 square 9 plus 1 10, that is equal to 1 by 2, right? So the limit of this function when x approaches to 3 is 1 by 2.